Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to scoop unlimited amount of followers from verified accounts on Instagram with a simple extension. I'm going to show you how it works. It will cost you about $10 per month. And yeah, without any further ado, let's go in. So you can scrape verified accounts. Now, as you know, many of you, the thing is on Instagram that they just started hiding the followers for the verified accounts. So like normally you just can't do that with like extension like instant data scraper because it's just hidden, right? Now there is a way to do it. Some extension figure it out, and it basically costs about $10. So it's like IG Growman. It's working real well, and you can scrape any account basically with that. So basically how it works is just take the username. I'm gonna share the link of that extension in the description down below. You just enter here, username, followers. I don't really mess too much with the settings, what you can try to do. So what usually happens, it scrapes the first 70,000 followers in few hours. They get stuck. So what you can try to do actually is increasing this number, because then the account gets the cookies basically get disconnected, and the account sometimes gets also suspended. So I wouldn't really recommend doing this on your personal account if you're planning to do this at scale. So basically what I have, just like throwaway accounts that I don't really want to use anymore. You can buy them on, I don't know, X Market or whatever for like I don't know, maybe under $1 or whatever. And just use them for this, log them somewhere. Ideally, if you have like a VPS or your own dedicated server, you can just host it there, keep it running for a couple hours. It's probably going to run for 6, 7, 8 hours, and then you just scrape it. So you just need to sign in with Google. You can upgrade the subscription. So I'm right now on this browser, I don't really have it purchased, but it doesn't really matter for demonstration. This is how it looks like. Extremely simple. This video is not going to be too long. The most important part of it is just the extension. I've paid a lot for this information, so right now I'm just sharing it with you for free. And yeah, so basically like the only interesting thing about this extension is that it can scrape also verified accounts, which none of the other extensions that I'm aware of can scrape right now. Not even like Parser, IM, nothing can scrape that. So there are better scrapers out there overall, but this one is unmatched in this specific feature. So yeah, as you can see, it's already scraping. Now at the end of it, you can just download it all, and it's gonna be translated into CSV. Now what I'm doing, what's kind of interesting to some people, is that I'm using Parser IM with this. So basically what I do is I scrape the followers, and you only get basically usernames. You get limited data. So if I open it up, you just get the username, profile link, full name, but you don't really get the other data like bio and location and whatever the other fields may be. So you can just use this with Parser, where you go here, you have to like convert it to text, but you just need the usernames, and then you go here, filtration accounts, and here you upload txt file, and basically right here you can get all of the other information that you may want. So you can get emails, you can get, I don't know, number of subscriptions, subscribers, category, all the stuff you may need. And you can also filter by privacy. This is like what I do. I mean, you can watch a Parser video if you don't know what it does, but that's how you can enrich the leads and then like get very specific list out of it. And that's like what I recommend for the most optimal way to get the highest quality leads. That's what I'm doing for my clients, and then we are just uploading this list on cold DMs and sending out messages there. So that's gonna be basically it for this video. It was a short one. I just wanted to share this with you because I know so many of you are gonna find this valuable. If you like these kinds of videos, please let me know in the comments below, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.